Anne-Marie here of That Girl Organizes. So, as you know, I'm on a little bit of a rant about our new Netflix star, and it's not that I'm jealous, well, maybe a tad, but there's a lot of things I really strongly disagree with. So, she says that we should declutter and organize on our own. Okay, I have a question. Why are you there, girlfriend? I'm a little confused. Unless she means that she gives instruction, walks away, and makes you do it yourself. Why can't they read your book then? I'm a little confused. So anyway, my clients here in Illinois, Naperville area, and an hour away, they are stressed out, exhausted, and burned out. Most of them work, have kids, have a whole lot of other stuff going on. They are not interested in organizing on their own, or they wouldn't call me, right? So my clients want help because they want someone with no emotional connection. They don't want their sister, they don't want their girlfriend, they don't want someone to hem and haw over things with. They want someone to be honest, and they want someone who works super fast. I am one of the fastest in my industry, and so are the girls that I train who are on my team. We bulldoze through things. Hey Drew, how's it going? And we go really fast. I have gotten through, this is my best claim to fame, a 40-hour project in 7 hours. I had a huge team of girls. We got this house ready to sell in a day. That's insane. She did have a lot of things, but they needed to get that house up immediately. She called me on a Tuesday. We were there Wednesday. House is up for sale Saturday. That's pretty amazing and ridiculously good. So a lot of people say, well, how honest are you, Anne-Marie? Hey, Teresa. Well, let's say I can't play poker very well. So if someone says, well, what do you think about this stress, Anne-Marie? And I said, well, how do you think it feels? Does it feel good on you? And they're like, well, it's okay. What do you really think about it? He's like, well, I really think it's ugly, but if you want to keep that, it's a little out of style. It's up to you. I'm honest as the day is long. It's just the way I am. So if you want someone who is honest, not emotionally connected, and can work fast as all get out, I'm your girl. Actually, I'm that girl. And we get things done according to your learning style, which makes all the difference in the world. And I've noticed our Netflix star has never mentioned it once. Not in her book, not on any of her shows, nowhere. I don't understand that, because how are you supposed to keep up what has been organized? If it's not organized according to your learning style, your habits are going to get nasty pretty quick. Hey, Andrea. And you're going to be back in the same load you were before with a ton of crap everywhere and overwhelm, exhaustion. Does that sound great to you? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think that's what my clients want. So in order for you to get organized, what do you need? You need a little push? Well, I've got it for you. So Martin Luther King weekend, I offered, if you missed one of my videos, oh shoot, I forgot to flip the screen, didn't I? Oh no, I did. I'm offering $50 off any package. So $50 off. Andrea says, yeah, there's crap all over. I can help you, Andrea. Let's talk. So if you schedule by this Friday, I'm offering $50 off any package, whether that's 3 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, whatever you need. Let's get you started. Let's get going. You will see how fast I work. If you want to work with me only, that is fine. If you want to work on a weekend, I'm game. If you want to work in a morning when the kids are off at school, let's go. Let's get it done. Let me help you, and you will see how fast I work, and I guarantee you're going to want me to help you with your whole house or 3/4 of it, and maybe you'll finish some of it on your own if you have time. But again, most of us don't. What will take you 6 weeks, hey Carrie, will take me probably half a day to a day. I get things done so stinking fast, it's ridiculous to waste any time. Again, I'm Anne-Marie Gunther of That Girl Organizes. Don't forget, get organized, stay organized. Just message me. It's the most simple way to get a hold of me. Have a good one.